Hi friends, I am Marisi. Welcome to Groovy Mathematics. In our past video, we discussed about the base multiplication with the base 10. Today we are going to discuss about the base multiplication with base 100. Can we go for the problem? Yes, come on. First problem, 102 into 106. See here, the 102 and 106 is closer to what base? They both are closer to the base 100, isn't it? What is the base? Base is any number which is the power of 10, isn't it? Yes. Here it's 102 and 106 is closer to 100. Okay. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do? I'm going to split my answer into two parts. That is the LHS and my RHS. For my LHS, what I'm going to do? I'll be just taking down the numbers for my LHS. The number here is 102 and 106. And for my RHS, what I have to do? I have to subtract 100, the base 100 from the number. The number here is 102. Subtracting it by the base 100 gives me 102 minus 100 gives me 2. And similarly, 106 minus 100 gives me 6. Isn't it? Yes. What's my next step? I have to go for cross addition. I am going to cross add the numbers. So 102 plus 6 gives me 108 and 106 by plus 2 gives me 108. So my LHS is 108. And for my RHS, what I am supposed to do? I have to go for the product of the numbers answers which I have got by subtracting the number by the base. So 6 into 2 gives me 12. So what is 102 into 106? I have to take down the LHS and RHS directly. I need not do any other process, isn't it? Yes, come on. 102 into 106 is equal to 10,812. Okay. Okay, come on, let's go for the next problem. Next problem is 102 into 104. What is 102 into 104? These two numbers are closer to which base? They are closer to 100. Okay, yes. Okay, what I have to do next? I have to split my answer into two parts, LHS and RHS. And for my LHS, what I am supposed to do? I am going to take the numbers directly. That is 102 and 104. And for my RHS, I have to subtract this number by the base. So the number here is 102. So by the base, subtracting by the base 100 gives me 102 minus 100 gives me 2. And similarly 104 minus 100 gives me 4. Okay. Okay. What will be my next step? For my LHS, what I have to do? I have to go for the cross addition. Okay. Okay. 102 plus 4 gives me 106. Similarly, 104 plus 2 gives me 106. Okay. Okay. Next, what I am supposed to do? I have to multiply the answers which I have got by subtracting the number by the base. So 2 into 4 gives me 8. So my LHS is 106 and my RHS is 8. Just a minute. Have anyone noted that here my base has 2 digits, isn't it? Yes. But here my RHS has only 1 digit. What I have to do here? I'm going to add a 0 before. As we all know well, adding a 0 before a number does not change the value of the number, but adding a 0 after a number changes the value of the number. So here adding a 0 before the number doesn't change the value of this RHS. Okay. So I'm adding a 0. But this 0 is very important when we go for the answer, as it is RHS is the continuity of a number from the LHS. Okay. And this 0 by that time will be having the value. Okay. Here the number of digits in the RHS should corresponds to the number of zeros in the base. Okay, so I have added the 0. Then what would be my answer? I have to just take down the LHS and the RHS. So 102 into 104 is equal to 10,608. Okay, okay, come on, let's go for the next problem. Next is 112 into 113. 112 and 113 is closer to which base? They are closer to 100, isn't it? Yes, they are above 100 and it's much more closer to 100 too. Okay, what I have to do, I'm going to split my answer into two parts, that is the LHS and my RHS. And for my LHS, what I have to do, I'm just taking down the numbers 112 and 130. And for my RHS, I have to subtract the number by the base. Number here is 112 minus the base 100 gives me 12. Similarly, 113 minus 100 gives me 13. Okay, what will be the next step? For my LHS, what I have to do? I have to go for the cross addition. And for my RHS, I have to multiply the two answers which I have got by subtracting the number by the base. Okay. For LHS, what I'll be getting? 112 plus 13 gives me 125. Similarly, 113 plus 12 gives me 125. And for my RHS, 12 into 13 gives me 156. Okay. See here again. I'm having only two zeros in my base. But here I'm having how many digits? I'm having 3 digits over here. What I have to do here? I have to split the numbers. I'll just take only the last two digits, that is the 56 for my RHS, and what I have to do is I have to carry over this one to my LHS and add it there. Okay, only the number of digits corresponding to the number of zeros in the base should be in the RHS, and the exceeding digits which should be carried over to the LHS. So I have carried over this one to the LHS, which is the LHS. LHS is 125. So 125 plus 1 gives me 126. So my answer is 112 into 113 is equal to 126 and 56, which is 12,656. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Okay, and I kindly request everyone, just don't go on with it. Please frame your own question and practice it on your own. For this pattern, it should be above 100 base. Any number above the 100 can be solved using this methodology. And if it is closer to the base, it would be easier for us to solve. So this method is used for solving above the base 100 base multiplication. Okay. And if anyone has any doubt, please share it in the comment or through my email. Okay. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends too. Thank you.